Hello, hello everybody. Monica back with Handmade Bay, and I'm going to give you a quick video on the Bumblebee book. I told you yesterday I would show you what's inside. So you see this one's a pretty thick one, right? You'll be able to add a lot of stuff to it. All right, and let's take a look. So here we go. This one has a lot more pockets than the one I showed you yesterday. So here's like a little tag. You can write on the back, add some more stuff here. More lines, and here's another little flip out. Very fun colors. Here's some fabric, which I like to put on my journals. Here's another one, do what you love. Looks like a little bag, a little string there, and some more places for you to write, add pictures, whatever you want to do. Here's another little tag, calendar, another place to write, more space for pictures. Here I have some papers in here for you to create with. Remember, you can decorate too. I'll give you some papers and some extra goodies if you order it. All right, and here is a little special thing. And here there's some paper and a little tag, and then a little die cut there. And then if you pull it out, you've got 3 more sections in here. How cool is that? You can really put a lot of special stuff in there. Right, and each one has paper, for some more stuff. Okay, we're going to fold that back in. And just some more goodies. Every time you turn, what a surprise this would be for somebody to get, and they just keep finding new areas with nice, cool stuff in there. Okay, here's another one. Some more fabric, some paper. Really for the gardener, anybody who loves bees, maybe honey. They make honey, and this would be really a great book. They could even keep track of things in here. Just, whatever you can think of. It's another little one. More space for you. Little bee fabric. Some more little things, die cuts, and 2 more big tags that you could do something with. And then another little one. Okay, so this one's really fun. It's loaded with a lot of stuff. It's going in the shop today. If you want it before I put it in, let me know. Just shoot me a message. And then later we're going to be taking a look at Alice in Wonderland. All right. Well, thank you. Send me any questions, and I'm hoping you're liking what you see. I'll see you later. Remember, we're on this journey together. Let's make it a creative one. See you next time.